Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Awesome Codings. I am Anshingal welcoming you to my channel. Back with a new video in the C programming tutorial series. So let's start with it. Before that guys, if you haven't accessed our playlist on C programming tutorials, access it now. The link is in description. You can save it anywhere or bookmark the link. So it will help you to check my videos on C programming and many more videos are uploaded on it. Save it anywhere. Let's start the real code. So guys, continuing to point, our motive of today's video is I'm here to give you an exercise basically. So in this exercise, this is on arrays I taught you, and this exercise will be on arrays, and you have to do it. You have to submit it. It is must, and the exercise is, well, basically, let me show you here. Let me make a new file. Let it be exercise.c. So guys, what you basically have to do is, let me increase the font. So you have to make an array. Let me give you the array so you don't bother. And here the array is, so this is the array, the input array basically, and uh, the output should be, you have to reverse the array. So reversed array. So this should be the output. This, and let me close my comment here. So this should be the output, and you have to reverse the array I gave you, and the output should be this. And you have to submit it on either of the link I provided you in the description using my. Um, you can give it on my Instagram profile, on my Twitter code using tagging me, and anything you are familiar with. So this is enough for today's video. This is the exercise submitted. Thank you for watching my video.